Hi Sophia's, good day. I hope that all is well and fabulous. Today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow review using the Nubian 2 eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place. So this is what I'm going to be using to get this fabulous look with this fabulous hair. Okay, so if you'd like to see how I came up with this look, please stay tuned. Also, if you're new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. I welcome you to the Madame Sophy channel, and I hope that you love this video to the point where you hit that subscribe button on your way out and you continue watching.
So baby, come over and be my healer. Come give me your special touch, special love and care's what I want. Doctor love and more is all I got to come rescue me from this real fever. You give me this fever. My pressure when you ain't there, got me suffering from this fever. So baby, come over and be my healer. That's what I'm liking. You know I'm ready, so won't you show me? Fever, you give me this fever.
Okay, Sophia, so I'm done with this look. This is the hair I chose for this look. So this is the look I was able to come up with using the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I am really loving the way it looked. In addition to using the palette, I was also able to use some loose glitter. The loose glitters I use are from J-Cat Cosmetics, J-Cat Beauty Cosmetics. I used it in the color Tangerine. So I used 207 Tangerine. And I also used Amazing Gold, which is SP211. Okay, so this was the glue glitters I used. I also used the NYX Cosmetics glitter glue to glue that on. And for lashes today, I went ahead and used the Ardell Wispies. I got the twin pack, but this is the Wispies in the color black. For foundation today, I went ahead and used the Becca Cosmetics foundation. I also went ahead and used the Almay Smart Shade Loose Finishing Powder. And for highlighter today, since I use mostly Juvia's Place for my eyes, I went ahead and used the Nubian highlighter. This is the loose Nubian highlighter. This was what I used for my highlighter today. I did a review using this Juvia's Place highlighter already, so I'm going to leave information on where you could purchase it, and I'm also going to leave the link on where you could see my review on the Juvia's Place loose highlighting powder. How are you guys loving this look? Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope that you loved it. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for clicking on my video. If this is your first time joining me on the Madame Sophy channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. And you need to hit that notification button because you got to be part of the Sophia squad. And you got to be part of the Sophia squad because you're a sophisticated lady. That's why. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to be you, don't forget to be fabulous, and don't forget to be Sophie. Bye honeys.